We now begin the program. We request Revered Swami Atma Prabhanji Maharaj to offer felicitation to Swami Achyuteshanji Maharaj, who is a trustee of the Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Mutt. As some of you may know, Swami Achyuteshanji Maharaj was in Bhubaneswar for many years. Swami Achyuteshanji Maharaj will now speak on, the subject is, A Journey from Narendranath to Swami Vivekananda.
Nikhila bhuvana janma sthema bhanga praroha akalita mahimana kalpitadastishin subimala gaganabhe त्वयि संस्थेप्यनीसे सुविमल गगनाभे त्वयि संस्थेप्यनीसे मम भवतु भवेस्मिन् भासुरो भावबन्ध मम भवतु भवेस्मिन् भासुरो भावबन्धः सर्वधर्मस्थापकस्तं सर्वधर्मस्वरूपकः आचार्याणां महाचार्यो रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्निदाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। परतत्त्वे सदालीनो रामकृष्णसमज्ञया यो धर्मस्थापनरतो वीरेशं तं नमाम्यहम्। कालिन्दे फुल्लकमले माधवेन क्रीडारत ब्रह्मानन्द नमस्तुभ्यं सद्गुरो लोकनायक। योगानन्द प्रेमानन्द सन्निवये च पार्षदा रामकृष्ण गतप्राण सर्वं तान् प्रणमाम्यहम्। Respectful pranams to revered Swami Atma Prabhananji Maharaj, to all other revered monks in the audience. Deep regards for Sri Devi Prasad Bagchi, an ardent devotee of Sri Ramakrishna and an erudite scholar on Ramakrishna Vivekananda literature. My younger brothers sitting there, and dear devotees. It is my proud privilege to be here, to stand in front of you. I was here in this very soil when the center was completing 75 years. There was no such gathering. There was no such celebration. There was a lot of work. There was a lot of constructions, a lot of development. But we all thought without a remembrance, without a get-together, perhaps something was remaining incomplete. My special salutations to revered Swami Atma Prabhananji Maharaj, that during his time, his tenure, this great gathering. Perhaps this is first time a gathering of this kind happening in Ramakrishna Math, Bhubaneswar. And I offer my special pranams to Atma Prabhanji for that reason, that Swami Brahmananji has given him that special privilege. There is as I was moving today a few minutes before in the morning, many of them are curious to know where from these monks come, where from you were. I thought we cannot answer individually, but then I thought to reply here itself. I'll come to the topic, but it is related. We all know that verse, Mata me Parvati Devi, Pita Devo Maheshwara, Bandhava Siva Bhaktascha, Swadesha Bhuvanatrayam. So there is the answer. But then we have got another one special verse. This goes like this in Ramakrishna order. Mata me Sarada Devi, Ramakrishna Pita Swayam, Vivekananda Acharya, Sarve Bhaktascha Bandhava. All other things are explained when we say who is our father, who is our mother. But when you come to Bandhava, Sarve Bhaktascha Bandhava. The monks who came here wanted to be free. And when this comes to Bandhava, there is something that binds, Bandhana. All these monks are bound with all the bhaktas, all the devotees, because the same parents, the same lineage. But then, what actually binds them? I believe, and perhaps you'll be knowing, there is no monk, even on a single day, who never prays for devotees. The monks are bound with the devotees by their prayer, that love, that care. Just like the devotees care for the monks also in return are praying for them. That keeps us together. As we said, we are grateful to Sri Ramakrishna. We are grateful to Sri Maa Sarada. We are grateful to Swami Vivekananda. Why? Because without them, we don't have our existence. We may remember when, I'm just going to the other end, when Swami Vivekananda, after conquering the West, he is coming back to India. And the Western people are sending letters to Mata Bhubaneswari. We are grateful to you, O Mother Bhubaneswari, because you produced a child like Vivekananda. We are proud of you. Then they are sending letters to India. O India, O Indians, we are indebted to you because you sent us such a man to this country who changed the mindset, who opened the new avenues for us. I am grateful to this very soil because this is the soil I was just making little fun. When Atma Prabhananji asked me that you have to speak on this subject, Narendranath to Vivekananda, I thought, why is this topic to me? Because perhaps he thought I also, from Girija, I became Achyutasananda here. So he gave that topic, Narendranath to Vivekananda, to speak on. But it was fantastic to think about that, you would meditate on that, how Narendranath is becoming Vivekananda. We may remember, again, if we go for the normal course of life, any child, sorry महाराज आप मेरे को हिंदी में बोलने के लिए कहे थे, I'm sorry again, महाराज told me to speak in Hindi, लेकिन मेरे को लगता है मैं अगर हिंदी में बोलूँगा तो, हाँ? महाराज told me to speak in Hindi, लेकिन मेरे को लगा अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगा, एक घटना हुआ था हमारा रामकृष्ण मिशन में, एक स्वामी जी को विदेश जाना था, तो उन्होंने बताया कि आप लोग वो कलकत्ता में हो रहा था, तो उन्होंने बोला देखो मेरे को विदेश जाना है, आप लोग थोड़ा बैठो, मैं थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कर लूं। तो वो इंग्लिश में बोलने लगे, और जब आंख खुले तब 80% ऑडियंस गायब हो गए थे। तो मेरे को लग रहा है अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं और आप गायब हो गए तो क्या होगा, आप शायद गायब नहीं हो पाएंगे, खाना तो यहीं खाना है। तो that should not be compulsion, but it may be a torture. But anyway, I'll mix it. But I am very much scared. कहाँ कुछ ना लग जाए, होंचट ना क्या बोलते हैं, जो भी हो। तो यही बात है कि अगर पिता माता अच्छा नहीं होते, बच्चे ऐसे पैदा नहीं होते। There are exceptions, but rarest of the rare. अथवा योगिनाम एव कुले भवति धीमताम एतद्धि दुर्लभचरम. This life is so difficult to get. Yoginam eva kule bhavati dhimatam. So when Vivekananda is coming, सप्तऋषि मंडल से, वो गाना आप लोग सुने होंगे, तो when Vivekananda is coming, he is not coming to ordinary parents. How long this mother Bhuvaneshwari has prayed. You can read their story. For 2 years, they are having prayers, fastings. They should get something like this. It has not just come that easily. And see what kind of a mother Bhuvaneshwari Devi is. Without Bhuvaneshwari Devi, that Narendranath was never going to listen Ramayana or Mahabharata or those stories. Without Vishwanath Datta, they say Vishwanath Datta, not Datta, Datta, because he was such a giver. And he arranged best kind of education that is possible for his child. His attorney was having a lot of money. No, not much money actually he was giving away. But at that point of time, so he was trying to do his best. His Naren will get everything. तो वही नरेन, उनको घोड़ा भी चलना आता था, जिम में भी जाते थे, गाना भी गाते थे. Such a prodigy. That there was contribution of their parents. अगर हमको यहाँ पे जो देवी और सज्जन बैठे हुए हैं, कभी कोई सोचे कि काश मेरे से भी कोई एक नरेन पैदा हो जाए, एक विवेकानंद आ जाए, ये जगत का क्या होगा. और शायद ऐसे ही सोचना चाहिए हमको कि हम ऐसे ही करें prayers, fastings, penance, that in every house there is a mini Vivekananda. The course of India changes. that has started by Swami Vivekananda, the main Vivekananda, but that has to continue. Our salutations to Sri Ramakrishna. Why? We have saluted the parents of Narendranath Datta. We are saluting Sri Ramakrishna because if Sri Ramakrishna was not what he did to Narendranath Datta, Narendranath Datta could have become a big orator. He could have become a social reformer, fine. But Narendranath Datta could perhaps have never become Swami Vivekananda. I will just tell one incident. When Sri Ramakrishna says, those are many things, how Narendranath comes in contact with Sri Ramakrishna, and Sri Ramakrishna says, "Tumi Nararupi Narayan, tumi keno to deri kore ele? আমি তোমার জন্য কতদিন থেকে অপেক্ষা করে বসে আছি।" তার থেকে কথা আদায় করছেন, আবার আসবে, বলো বলো আসবে। সে বলছে, কি পাগল, কার সামনে পড়লাম রে। তারপরে তিনি হ্যাঁ 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 আসবো, কোনো রকম করে বাঁচি এখন। কিন্তু সেই বিবেকানন্দ পরে যখন রামকৃষ্ণ পরমহংসকে তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছেন, তুই কি চাস, হোয়াট ডু ওয়ান্ট? তিনি বলছেন, আই ওয়ান্ট নির্বিকল্প সমাধি। মহারাজ বলেছেন মাঝে মাঝে একটু ওড়িয়া বলতে, আই উইল ট্রাই। ମୁଁ ନିର୍ବିକଳ୍ପ ସମାଧିରେ ମଗ୍ନ ହୋଇ ରହିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। ସବୁ ସମୟରେ ସେଠି ବୁଡ଼ିକି ରହିବି। କେତେବେଳେ ତାଠୁ ଟିକେ ବ୍ୟଥିତ ହେଲି, ପୁଣି ଟିକେ କିଛି ଖାଇଲି, ପୁଣି ଯାଇକି ସେ ନିର୍ବିକଳ୍ପ ସମାଧିରେ ଚାଲିଯିବି। ନିର୍ବିକଳ୍ପ ସମାଧି such a big thing. If suppose sometimes you ever read Brahma Sutra, it starts with Athato Brahma Jigyasa. And if you read what is that Atha, Atha is just like if you say after this post-graduation. So after graduation, post-graduation. Similarly, Atha means you must have attended these, that. So that list is so long itself, we cannot achieve it in many lives. So Brahma Jigyasa, only your authority to ask. So then he's telling, I want to remain immersed in this. Fantastic. ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁଦିନ ଟିକେ ଜପଧ୍ୟାନ ଭଲ ହୁଏ, ସେଦିନ ଗୀତ ବାଜଣା କିଛି ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ନା, ଜପରେ ବସିଛି, ମନଟା ଏକଦମ, ଅନ୍ୟ ସମୟରେ ଗୀତ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ସମୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ରସ ପାଇଯାଇଛୁ, we don't want to come down from that state. At some point of time that music was helping, at another point it is a distraction. তো সেই সমୟରେ ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛୁ ଯେ ଜପଧ୍ୟାନ କରିବାର କି ଆନନ୍ଦ। So ନିର୍ବିକଳ୍ପ ସମାଧିର ଆନନ୍ଦ, it may be it is a million time or billion times of this joy. ସାଧାରଣ ଜପଧ୍ୟାନ ଯେଉଁଦିନ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାଏ ତାର ଆନନ୍ଦ, ତାର ବିଲିୟନ ଟାଇମ୍ ଯଦି ହୁଏ, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଭାବିପାରୁ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ସମାଧିର ଆନନ୍ଦ। ତ ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ରନାଥ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ ନିର୍ବିକଳ୍ପ ସମାଧିରେ ମଗ୍ନ ହେଇକି ରହିବେ, ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ କଥା। ଶ୍ରୀରାମକୃଷ୍ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଛି, ମୁଁ ଭାବିଥିଲି ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ବିଶାଳ ବଟବୃକ୍ଷର ଭଳିଆ ହବୁ, you will become like a big banyan tree. Hundreds and thousands of people come and take shelter under you. They'll have the joy and the peace of the world. And you, like a small man asking for your own liberation, own mukti. That is Sri Ramakrishna gives. As if injecting to him. We remember in earlier, this happened. Arjuna is telling, I'm not going to fight. I'm not going to kill this man, my kith and kins. No, yotsyase. I'll not find. Then Sri Krishna comes back and says, oh, you are speaking like a big person. Pragyabadang sabhasase. Then starts the Gita teaching. Pragyabadang sabhasase. Gatasuna gatasungsa nanu sochanti pandita. So this is how there is a comparison. There are all similar things being enacted on this earth. So Sri Ramakrishna is giving a new thrust in Vivekananda's life, that you don't have to worry about yourself. You have to think of the world. तुम्हें बहादुरी काट, তুমি এমন তেমন কাঠ নয়, বাহাদুরি কাঠে যেটা অন্য লোককে নিয়ে যাবে। হাউ ক্যান ইউ থিঙ্ক অফ অ্যাবাউট ইয়োর সেলফ? তো নরেন্দ্রনাথের চিন্তার উন্মেষের মধ্যে পরিবর্তন আসছে। তিনি তার ভেতরে আমরা যদি পরে সময় যদি ইফ টাইম পারমিটস উইল ডিসকাস actually Nivedita when she's analyzing about how Narendranath is transforming, she's telling it is not a transformation. She says actually it is not transformation, it is rather a formative influence. Formative influence in the sense keep not only Vishwanath Datta and Bhuvaneshwari has given. Next, he's getting that education, the scriptural background. And then subsequently, he's getting that from Sri Ramakrishna. He tells this literary education, the best of education the parents have given. Then comes Guru, Sri Ramakrishna. Guru has not read those scriptures, but has become the living embodiment. Nobody else can speak. When Narendranath asks, he has got that mind because he studied the Western literature, logic and philosophy, Kant and Hegel. So he knows how to question. He is not going to accept just, you tell this and I will say this. No. We may remember even when Sri Ramakrishna is asking, I see all these people are telling I am God. What is your idea? Narendra tells, whatever the whole world may say, as long as I am not convinced, I am not going to say that. So this Narendranath is asking what he has asked everybody. Have you seen God? And he is saying, yes, of course. And I can show you. Just like I am saying, I can show you. None ever before has said this. This is what Sri Ramakrishna lived, the life. He gave an example that somebody can realize God in this life. Then we can move to next phase. The Sri Ramakrishna teaching is going on. We all think Narendranath became an atheist at a point of time. He was going to Brahma Samaj, but he became an atheist. He's not believing in God. Why? Because he's thinking, if God is there, why so much misery? Why so much pain? What is the point of having a God if this much of misery and pain and sufferings are there in this world? He's becoming an atheist. So he's going to, anyway, he's going to Brahma Samaj. Brahma Samaj is, Shaguna Nirakara. They never go to idol worship. So, then Narendranath comes here. And Sri Ramakrishna is a Kali worshipper. What a contrast. He is never going to idol worship, and Sri Ramakrishna, his main theme is Ma, Ma, Ma. And Narayana is telling, what is this? This cup is. Okay. Sure. So, this, I am giving the notice that, I should have a watch here. Anyway, so, this Narendranath is saying, whatever I have become because of Sri Ramakrishna. Whatever I have, it is because of Sri Ramakrishna. Then lastly, he says, Swamiji travels all over world, India, and finds out the India's pain. He moves to the West and discovers what the West is. And he blends the Indian knowledge with the Western thoughts and finds this organization that we have got today. And we have got a place to worship the living man, the living God rather, in the form of human beings. Once again, I thank to my the Bhubaneswar Math for giving this opportunity. Offer my pranams and end with one verse that we started with that is for Shiva, Swami Vivekananda has composed, and we find as if Swami Vivekananda himself has become Shiva. This verse goes like this in Shiva Stotram. Durita dalana daksham dakshajadatta dosham kalita kali kalanka kamra kalhara kantam parahita karanaya prana pracheda pretam natanayana niyoktam Neelakantham namama Natanayana niyuktam Neelakantham namama. Thank you.